Today, we're at the fabulous TPC Four Seasons Dallas at Los Colinas. We're in Irving at Los Colinas, so this is urban Dallas, really. We're in the Metroplex. This green space is home to thousands and thousands of species of plants and animals. We were the 2017 overall winners in Environmental Leaders in Golf contest, and that just happened to coincide with us hosting our 35th Byron Nelson, proving that you can have great tournament quality playing conditions and still be a world-class environmental steward. September the 21st last year, we had 11.26 inches of rain overnight. The canal behind me that runs through the entire property, it had 9 feet of vertical rise and it was 4 golf holes wide. Tremendous amount of damage. All of the bunkers had been contaminated with other debris from just the floodwaters, so every bunker on both golf courses didn't meet the standard anymore. One of the things that is important that I love to make sure other superintendents hear is we use some great technology. We got our drone in the air as soon as the storm passed, and we captured hundreds and hundreds of still images plus the drone video footage, which we were able to share with the insurance adjusters. The bunkers took the biggest hit. So we were able to analyze what would be the best liner solution to our unique soil and the high expectation of our members. Well, the reason that we chose Flexxcape is pretty simple. We had used the older products, and here in North Texas with our black clay based soils, they move a lot. We just felt like that a 12-month guarantee versus a 12-year guarantee, that was a whole lot of financial sense to us. So our goal was to create the best bunker possible for our membership, but we wanted to do that over a long period of time. And so after we evaluated all of our options, Flexxcape was the clear #1 choice for us. You can see the work happening behind us, so we're overlapping the edges just a little and gluing the seams, and it's moving fast. This is a fairly large bunker, and we're going to be completely out of this in 3 hours, give or take. From a superintendent's perspective, you can't get better than long-lasting, easy to use, great separation between the sand material. By the way, we're using a Premier White sand. We're hard at it today in North Texas, and we're super excited about putting the Flexxcape as the core piece of our brand new bunkers here on Cottonwood Valley Golf Course. The message from all of the members through the Greens Committee and them as great players as well, they love the new bunkers. That's our goal, is to make sure that that critical asset, the bunkering, it lives up to its design that the architect intended, and now it's back not just functioning the way it was before the flood, but even better.